If you've ever wanted to post on YouTube Shorts but don't want to be on camera, there's a smarter way to do it. Faceless videos are huge right now. They protect your privacy, and the people love watching them. The only problem? Making them usually takes a lot of time, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, and editing clips. That's where ShortBeast AI changes the game. Instead of doing everything yourself, the AI does it for you. You give it an idea like 5 tips for staying motivated or fun facts about history, and in just minutes, it creates a full short video. The AI writes the script, picks a realistic voice, adds subtitles, and even pulls visuals that fit your topic. You can customize the voice, change the clips, or tweak the subtitles with just a few clicks, so every video still feels unique. What used to take hours now takes less than 10 minutes, and the quality is good enough to grow a channel, attract followers, or even sell to clients. The best part? You don't need any anything experience. If you can type an idea, you can make a professional short. So if you've been waiting for a way to create faceless YouTube shorts faster and easier, this is it. ShortBeast AI helps you stay consistent, save time, and scale up your content. Want to try it out for yourself? Sign up using my link in the description and start creating today.